I'm Shahardya Mishra, aged 27. I noticed my hair loss since last 6-7 years. As it was genetic, I tried fixing it by using various oils and different treatments from different sites, but I did not get a very good result. From all those things. So after that, when I did some research, I got to know about New Root Clinic, Kolkata. Then I came here for the doctor's consultation and checkup and all. Then yesterday morning when I reached here, first they drew my hairline, and after that doctor again saw the hairline and confirmed that yeah, it's looking fine. Then the process started. And after that, the transplant happened. So yeah, the process went very well for me. So the whole experience of my transplant was very good. The doctor and the staff were very helpful, very friendly. They explained me each and every steps while consultation and while the whole process of transplant also. So yeah, I'm very happy about my experience here. I hope I get a very good result. Yeah, I want to give my heartful thanks to the clinic and the doctors. Thank you.